Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stoke, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this BMW X1 2-litre 20i xLine Auto xDrive. Now this vehicle is a petrol with an automatic transmission. It is also ULEZ compliant and is finished in Storm Bay metallic paint. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 18-inch 5Y-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing the Storm Bay metallic exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring that any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electronic boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a large amount of space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the Oyster Dakota leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passenger with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, phone controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 21,859 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. As well as this, you also have your Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring that you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have a navigation system which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations, along with front and rear parking sensors, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. This has been a presentation on a BMW X1 2-litre 20i xLine Auto xDrive that's now available to purchase from Motor Match Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.